Good day, Doc Clint. Today, I will present a study titled Adoption of AI-Driven Predictive Maintenance and Digitalization in Oil and Gas Production, a study of Gulf region operations. This research examines how artificial intelligence and advanced production technologies improve maintenance strategies, increase equipment reliability, reduce downtime, and support digital transformation within Gulf oil and gas companies. The Gulf oil and gas industry is under pressure to improve operational efficiency while reducing costs. Traditional maintenance methods are no longer sufficient. Therefore, this study aimed to evaluate AI-driven predictive maintenance, determine its alignment with advanced production technologies, identify operational improvements, and investigate the challenges encountered during implementation. The study used a mixed method research design, analyzed published literature, industry reports, and Gulf region case studies. Qualitative analysis examined organizational readiness, technology adoption, and implementation barriers, while quantitative analysis compared operational indicators before and after AI implementation. The results demonstrate substantial operational improvements following AI adoption. Equipment downtime decreased by more than 57%, maintenance costs fell over 30%, while equipment failure were reduced by almost 58%. Asset reliability increased by 28% and production efficiency improved by nearly 18%. The largest improvement was maintenance response time, which decreased by almost 67%. AI predictive maintenance integrates several Industry 4.0 technologies. IoT sensors continuously collect equipment data. Machine learning predicts equipment failures. Cloud computing stores and processes information, while analytics dashboards support maintenance planning. These technologies align directly with the 4 pillars of advanced production technologies: automation, sensing, computation, and networking. Although AI provides many operational benefits, implementation remains challenging. Organizations face high investment costs, difficulties integrating legacy systems, cybersecurity concerns, shortages of AI professionals, and data interoperability issues. These findings indicate that successful digital transformation requires not only technology but also organizational readiness. These findings are consistent with previous studies showing that AI improves maintenance efficiency and production reliability. Beyond operational improvements, organizations benefit from better planning, more efficient resource allocation, and stronger alignment with national digital transformation initiatives such as Qatar National Vision 2030, Saudi Vision 2030, and the UAE Industry 4.0 strategy. In conclusion, AI-driven maintenance serves as a strategic enabler of digital transformation in Gulf oil and gas operations. It improves equipment reliability, operational efficiency, and production performance while supporting Industry 4.0 initiatives. However, successful implementation also depends on skilled personnel, cybersecurity preparedness, and continuous investment in digital technologies. AI is not replacing maintenance professionals. It empowers them with smarter, faster, and data-driven decision-making. That concludes my presentation. Thank you very much.